Hello guys, welcome to my vlog guys. Nagplanta kami guys sa stock na mo guys. Guys, tingnan nyo guys yung planta namin guys. Planta kami guys para pang pista sa Malimunog guys, sa Kansayong. Ito guys planta kami guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Tignan nyo guys, planta pa kami guys matagal pa to guys. Ito pa guys planta walang laman. Thank you for watching guys. Paki-share at paki-follow na lang guys. Bye.